as you can see right now, we've got waves between 3 and 6 feet at all of our county beaches. So each morning we gauge the conditions. We're expecting wind gusts from 25 to 40 miles an hour, and we're expecting some gusts even in the tropical storm range.
So there's a couple things that can happen with approaching storms, even if they don't make landfall here in Florida. One is we may get some washouts of eggs that you may see on the beach that are rolling around, and it's best to kind of just leave those be, as they are no longer viable and kind of serve as a food source for other organisms. And the other thing that you might see is these what we call washback hatchlings, which are hatchlings that have made their way out of the nest and made their way offshore, but then the wind and the wave action is too great for them to swim against, and so they get blown back in. We actually had 2 washbacks come in over the weekend. We have one green turtle and 1 loggerhead, and we may get more as the day goes along. Typically what happens is a beach goer will be walking along the beach. We'll see a hatchling that's kind of just resting there in the seaweed, and will likely give us a call, and then we'll go out and pick those up.
Humberto was a Category 5 hurricane over the weekend. It's since been downgraded to a 4, but we have Imelda, which is much closer to us, and they're both going to be moving north up through Palm Beach County, and we're going to expect these conditions for at least a week.